for good afternoon from Ghana. Maybe I will be no yet chow. You better once say, and that's what my am more day. Say no more indeed and Komoka crack. You say I've gone about 2:50. That's 50 minutes after 2. Area. The baby I will be no shedding. And I show him see. If he said, Emra woman and your baby but we say we are not in normal times. Emra woman and your normal times. You know, we be here and your ways are said, Emra woman and your normal times. The normal enkoye, sir. And normal enkoye. And then, me Bamoncha, Bonnie be a name, me person me nemo. Ekasa about a day course of Ghana. I drew by being here, said, you've been here, they are number 2. You'll be an amateur news all the time, Tino, Sammy Wabrea, and the Diana maintains semi brebe. The young Ponso, I don't mind, you walk for my intimate, the Duana Casano. If you say, Yakasayana by Fusu 80, some of you are no, I am Monday, no. May call Adom TV ne Adom FM no. There are some few things be who ya me born who the room can once them and you host so and now you are for so or then another 2 no. Then I say I buy close all the beaches in Ghana. Because on Sunday no, so what share video be a free beach be air by and I'm Facebook but not I say I buy like I say. You're careful now. Social gathering or yen so. If we say the more na ye share and say obi back for be away any beer, obey to me up to us spread the Adamana corner, I corner. The younger who see you said a bay I enter in share, baby and Padudo, na ya ready will be who I am of fact. But still, now for M. That Sunday, no, their course will beach, you know, because Monday may call Adom TV near Adome from the Mekan, want something day by. Unfortunately, no, that day, Nana. I buy a brass, all the beaches in Ghana has been closed. So it means say, your Kasaya na a question cramp in 40, and into no be binny and they are no air to me. And every year, I'm in a monk, come be a yeti. Now, I feel say very important, though, very, very important. Said the medical kind and Mary woman and normal times. And then, you know, so could be normal time now, so by your normal things that. Then it means that one person you don't understand the situation. So we are not in normal times. So it means that we need to do things that a year more than normal. Okay? So we have normal things within this time and normal now. We can't just say be any year. Anything that I buy at the bar set Ghana Libya a bit to me now what they are for young to go. Not young Chirico. Not young Bompire. Said ya beya ya dey for the coronavirus na abawia sin na obi asu no yen Ghana so ebi ewura a me no ka say enyam tuma before say me be video ase no ye say nipa 68 ena enya enra no na ye nipa 52 ena ne 68 it means 16 ena abeka ho ena ho a so what it means is say the bia the action no Nani patutua nenya. If I the truth of the matter, they say, a man for menya no. Omo do so send don't bana. You need my that mountain. Then didn't make us at ye me say, a man for menya yade wa Ghana no. Omo do so saying, number na yade abeto mountain no. If you say, Ghana for the way I fire pom den seminal. So obi bowa so obi anya fliwa na adwen be na say bia malaria bi na wanya ntene wakọ drug store na wakọ to aduro bi anom think say the hobeto no so before say ya we ne be ya din ya be say asuma si yare na anya ordinary malaria na bia fever no na e bia na ode asane nkofo bebrebe na koda nchen a Ghana hey to the best of my knowledge menim say bia beka ho dia There were 2 places that I want to be testing no. I'm buying a baby for home, but up to now, I mean, this say almost the new place that Becca home to a Kumasi and then Krehei and the Gucci and I testing. The amount for more eastern region, amount for more central, western, north, Votano. So Obinya symptom be a says I are yambody dear. Sandy panel. A heifer no de beko answer no who say bia making a bia because sa hospital all these places and omuni the kits and we test side and it will be I know Volta region or hospital na say doctor na share na say bia malaria fever be na one year na say bia coughing bia or be malaria do say corner okay because only the means to test to see say nipa symptoms na also no is it being caused by this coronavirus that yabayana. Anything I make us say, Encrofwa, or Manyan Casano, or Modo also since that nipa 68 in a Dalbontino. 68 in a confirmed one, ya tested. But I'm telling you, say, a month for yen test your mono, and also see your mama testeno. And it's a one would team, Obesha won't know what I won't see ye, and then we are sitting in one small village. They are safe in the global village. Adeɛ bi asesi a me no ka say AC wɔ China. So wo pese wonya information bi afa ho a, say na me no ka say no, some information wo benya. Adeɛ bi ana AC ɛwɔ Italy sesi e no. Wo pe ho information a wo betumi nya sesi e. Sesi e na me hwɛ Algeria. Omo say sesi e Spain, okay? Nipa a omanya bi no. A omagu no, wo check here, omo do so say China for de no, de si wɔ China. The CN information across to other places. South Africa, you see, you might be locking them down soon. But this is India, so all the places in India, we are locking everything down because say, you know, baby, do not know your dear and near whom will be a slow. And until the young man say, young Chilakom, na young Mompaye, study a baya, or young Pombe Sia Ghana for. So the question is it bad for the government to declare saying na yen chikom ne na yen mompai? The answer is no. And your bonnet a very good to say obi or your candiphobia no. Say do situation be now the situation a browa ho so. Once the situation no baby adru no one kasa to me and nye bibi. Baby at times situations like this, you need to America for so, you need to China for so, you need to Germany, UK for so. But one kasa no situation no omu komuno. Omu nyan tomo na ye ni abeto omo so. So what it means is say situation na ye womu se see ane ya ade a wontimu mfa wani nkoto obi so. Baby a wo pese wudwane kono omukura esu esen ho America na obedwane koto omo se America foi mo me hwe ade ato Ghana fuo America fo na nkasa omo se gomuti a omo twa ajajo China fo ye de omo a se se ne omo ne business no se se China na so be kono they have issue to deal with UK for omo ye masters a bibi ni omo support ye no omo problem no nya de keto omo se gomuti a omo twa ajajo Germany na abeko Spain France and Italy na abeko baby amon for twa ajajo eni ti aduru baby a nipa hu se ade we bi e bro ya ho oden so baby ade adu de abo ye nyansa ne yetumi so eni se no yammon paye na ye nkyere kom sade e be ya sana ho oden besi na be support yen because ordinarily baby and kayedi be ko ni nyina no omu nyina esu na na me who supposed to be our Facebook is it I think say Italy omu prime minister no o say ade bia so omu tumi bia no o maye but it seems say yade we yade bia nipa ho oden ti on de o kan kira man for say obi bia yen dey na ye momba ye ntwe nyakopon science from pa to na enyi nyamindi Doctor for almost and dear Quachida, Omumpo, Ebi, Omunino. Now, no, Omantia says a situation where they are dear control. See, and young Casanyame or Yaminiho. The year can say, what we know in this world, yes, young science for Bibinia, young doctor for Bibinia, young company for Matum our technology. But as it is now, no, all these leaders, they are telling us, say, baby, I didn't know. It is something beyond them. It is something beyond them. Anything I am telling you, no, say, American government is telling it, approves 2 trillion. And I ban the atwa the abwa and kran said the beya. Yadia Kosi, among for whom be. The world economy is breaking down and it will break down to a point down. Many of the countries, for the next 10 years. Some of these countries now by the end of the day, be settled. A very difficult less than 10 years for them to be able to be on their feet again. This America, China, Germany, Spain, France, and Italy for a and not the Yaya Ghana, the Yayan, obviously, and Ponco, said the editor, Namu and Nay, said China, America, Germany, Spain, Italy. Some crowd when my son was super powers, so Munko Tin is no more judge Ajoa, and the young Africa for Ghana for the say, say, a young Chenakura, a Yidam, Timpay for Sebe, Ponko Yikura, who said the editor. Oh, what's a war at day when our baby? And it is a situation of Abu Nipa more than so. And to your beer, the only thing I want to tell you today is a situation in Babia Juno. Do you have any answers? Ubia was a one Yamindi. Now they will say, Yango there's no God. We are saying the Yantina Say, see a situation I woman. One can what is your answer to the situation? Because the science for now, you can't go to war mono. All them paying for no must see a dear hour, a body review one, the being again got to war mono. They still don't have any clue about what is happening. And if you know one, I get a virus or no, and you're airborne. A woman, but hey, when you're careful of it because we'll be born and I'm from every day new information are coming because the virus or no will be that. The virus or no, I young will be them to know. Be other new information is never the one what update you home by watching international news. Now, when I'm at the every day new things are coming, in regards to this virus, about says about a pandemic, we are seeing. To the Americans say, oh, you'll be a winning a mini. Do you have any answers to the question? Some of us will tell you, say yes. What is happening? No, Nyangupong enemy. Na Nyangopon at the Fakwan so many but Tenase, and we say, we are not the ultimate. God Almighty, ever say you say, we are not the ultimate. There are some superior force, a senior young one. Say any baby in a creative yet, say I will be in a creative yet, whatever happens, and as our virus we ever know. Nature added and say, there is something superior to the advancement of the human technology. Or there is something superior to the so-called civilization of the humankind on this planet. And you know, yes, among for brand or more, it is becoming more serious every now and then. There be a chat and so numbers in the pan numbers in the pan because a bruni back more than answer. Now the American children say, I bind to be unchrickle. And into some of us, yes, sorry, yes, okay. Yes, obedience is better than sacrifice. When you do when you say, I do when a yanya said, yes, I am by a young 20 young one by it. So, in I travel more than I be at least up to 2 o'clock. Now, you have a mumpire string and coupon. But the empty enemy by hand say, no one be a cost for a month for doing my acres, we need to come and explain to some of us. Said the Baya, ye be hu say ye be nya ntiase wo de yesi no yeah wo ye nipa desani na wo making mockery of prayers and fasting sabi wajimi me say so wo ye nipa desani na wo making mockery of prayer and fasting. I am telling you, you are not very intelligent. Nipa desani bia no kasa mpaibo emfaso ni so akonche ni emfaso ni so no with the experience I have in life, you know, we are very, very childish in the mind. Don't make mockery of prayer and fasting. For the fact synchrophobia, edi nyankopon ani ma yefo. For the fact synchrophobia, edi mpaiboni akonche ayefo mu a, omo ma ni bia mamu ni nkyere say mpaiboni akonche enya adwuma. For the fact synchrophobia, taking advantage of the vulnerability of people. Now, omodem paiboni akonche ni asori any chromosome ni whatever it is, omodi sising crofo kwan bi so eno nkyere se paiboni akonche enya dwuma. Enti obi bia bakasa paiboni akonche enya dwuma no, sebi mpreduasa, sa ni bana adwin mu e wo fom. Hwe yenga na ha na yete. Wo ye obi a wo experience every mkurase a Ubonsa some few years ago, no, they were conformed some herbalist phobia, no mukura to me, no mutumia no ma emma. And Chahi Biao 20-30 years ago, and Chahi Benny and Kurase, there was some traditional worshippers be, there were a Bosum Bina conform you are, or Moya no ma emma. You will attest to that, I will attest to that. There are places who call. Na yesi ade wona wa ye wo so nyeye na ya kan asem bia to so acha be 3 days pe na wo fu acha tontwem ya de ko hospital ya ko twi nsuo ni nyina ade be ti na wo fu na sa ya mabio se wo hu bi da ma hu bi da asem bia si fi ha sei yesi ade we ye hwe na obi anko ho wonnim na wutu na ma ko ho a acha be 3 days pe na de fom yasi asuma se wo no obi bia obekọ ne funu ho se oye ho ade bia no ono so beko ampa obi bia okọ funu ho no ombeto so agu ba ku mienu miensa sa bibi wo ho. So for the fact say ne akonform ba for the fact say ne herbalist form ba omo nyina scamming kwa no mo doesn't mean say those gods ne sa helps no to mean. For the fact is that now conform by your better TV so be sika. No, and just say no kure those lesser gods no omuntimu enye bibia ye no kure. Anything you want to conform your better TV so now o yi sika ofa kwan bi so azan kwan bi so yi sika. On ka say anything no a conform no kwa bosom no kura no to me be any. I tell you say to me wom omu to me no nyame na enduru but they have so much powers things. And they won't comfort back mienu miensa bi enkwase ade bi oye na waka say those idols na je nkurase no ene sa nsuosuo no to me bi ani because those that are man for no mudi animu no mudi no kura masa spirit no na ya wa Africa ha yawo na ya hubi say no matimi si ene the American be say the fact is asofo bi prophet bi aso ko nyame nkrofo bi ye no ma bi emfata emfa kwan mu no eno nkyere say empaiboni akonchen enya adwuma na se Nyankopon eni ho ti me say obi bia do be making mockery of prayer and fasting that di no na adwumu ha ne nyansa wo fom because they tell say Nyankopon to me eya adwuma. Now let us come to the point say nyame to me eya adwuma akonchen empaiba ne Ghana boy no so ebenya nsunsanso bi oyade we so ana. So ebenya nsunsanso ya de we so ada de entia me ba ha ne se me no be kasa say de ne aban ne ye no me gitu pass very good. Say every good leader when there are difficulties facing your subjects you cannot sit down ade bi obeye atimi yi sa how na free what you do for hon a self fashion anything aban no say ahode no ento entimi for be to America for China and Israel and all those places, you know. Everybody is battling with the same situation. And into the they say what they die on better when you're they will not mind you. So the government don't have many options But to say your mom there is nothing wrong with that. But no credit say so I am pai bona your boy no any akonche no ebenya nsunsuansuo bi ewo yade no so na. This is what I want us to discuss today. Say ebenya nsunsuansuo bi ewo yade no so na and then remember say you make kinds of few quotations in the Bible. Say how few quotations. Now my number points be we have something to discuss today. Very important. Pay attention. But just when you like a video, not like the video. So when you share, someone share. Invite your friends. Today we have very important thing to discuss today. Obi biana okwa sorry. We money. One thing you mean wait here today. You will get many things that one kasa life. I'm wanting Zambia say. You see, nimdie a power. Knowledge is power. So when nimdie na ultimate to the more. So when ni, so abrabani, so nyamiani. So when nimdie on. We are the now be a mistake. Internet, maybe say I kind of few quotations be from the Bible. Now we are met church and sabim. Ube who said so. They are not a country na yet. Fast na ye. Na ya bo home pay. So a benyan sunsan suobi or yade so na. Maybe I told you be kinds of few quotations from the Bible. Me kind na match was say. We are Christian tie. We are Cremonia tie. Won dey people near tie. Na nyansa because nimdie eye to me. Knowledge is power. Madike can we obi a who making mockery of prayer and fasting. Sabi, why do you wait? Let me explain to you. See, don't capitalize. I mean, one can decision based on normal fungia around you. The fact that so-called people be, and it doesn't mean that the real thing is not there. Anyway, Isaiah chapter 1. Verse number 15 to 17. Isaiah chapter 1, verse number 15 to 17. Many times you can read chapter 1, verse number 15. Isaiah chapter 1, verse number 15. But you pay attention. Or say, and when you spread forth your hands, I will hide my eyes from you. When you make many prayers, not here. Adentia, your hands are full of blood. Wash you, make you clean. Put away the evil of your doings from before your eyes. Cease to do evil. I mean, can you? Or say, that's Isaiah chapter 1, verse number 15. Or say, and when you spread forth your hands, I will hide my eyes from you. When you make many prayers, I will not hear. Why? Because your hands are full of blood. So, oh, vampire. Now you'll be a winning the bonini pa. Now, when you're watching, say, oh, bonnie na wood in walking with the one. I am telling you, and Paiboya Juma, I continue Juma Siakupon on tie. Me say wo vampire. Wo chekom. Now when you watching say wo ba twem ho afiri, wo boni a wo ye ho. Wa mumu yesem ne munun kotwesem. When you watching say wo ba twem ho afiri ho a. Even though God is powerful, prayer works, fasting works, Nyankopon on tie. And then because me no ye discuss it. You need to come to terms with what I'm explaining today. You will understand. Do can I say? And when you spread forth your hands, say, oh, Pajawans, I say, oh, vampire, I will hide my face from you. When you make many prayers, I will not hear. Say, oh, vampire, baby, okay? Oh, vampire, baby, your hands are full of blood. If you say one thing, are you moja? Some of our leaders are so corrupt. Some of our leaders are so bloodthirsty. So, upon all the things we do in private, but near you said that thing, I must say, yeah, at young crofo. I'm on crofo, pray. Now you really must say, young way. Yeah, vampire entity and Bible. God is not a magician. God is the supreme being who works and operates with laws and principles. God Almighty is not a magician. God Almighty is not a magician. He is not a personality or a power or a force you can deceive. And it's what you say. Oh, for me so ada nyankopon ni wakoma before mba bekasa no agye da wotimo nyanka nyankopon anim. So okay, Isaiah chapter 1 verse number 15 now. Or say, and when you spread forth your hands, I will hide my face. So paja won sa me de manim besie mo. Adentia, when you make many prayers, so I will not hear. Adentia, because your hands are full of blood. If you say one sa ayemuja. Nipa was as to yensa too much. The blood, the innocent blood on our hands, too much. Now you tenase, now you deep bonny we are. Now you say, I'm saying, I'm going to bomb by the as I say, if I about the change, when we are not even ready to change our hearts and our mind. Isaiah chapter 39, verse number 3. And then Messiah Kai will say, we understanding about what we are discussing today. Isaiah chapter 39, verse number 3. Isaiah chapter 39, verse number 3. Or say, then came Isaiah, the prophet, unto King. Sorry. 39, verse 3. Isaiah chapter, okay, I mean, First Chronicle 28 verse 2. First Chronicle 28 verse 2. First Chronicle, but just a few seconds. I mean, quotation. Yeah, I want to expose some First Chronicles, chapter number 28. Chapter 28, verse 2. I said, then David the king stood up upon his feet and said, hear me, my brethren and my people. As for me, I had in my heart to build a house of rest for the ark of the covenant of the Lord, and for the footstool of our God, and had made ready for the building. But God said unto me, thou shalt not build an house for my name, because thou hast been a man of war and hast shed blood. Okay? David, see asonda ya manyankopon. Nyankopon say wo me na me ya wo hene. Na wo ya akora na me ma okum Goliath. Enso me ma wo nsi sa asonda ne ma me adentia wo kum nipa ma wo nsa eyemoja. So you are not even qualified to build me a synagogue or a temple. Okay? Another quotation. First Chronicle 22 verse 8. First Chronicle 22 verse 8. But the word of the Lord came to me, saying, thou hast shed blood abundantly, and hast made great wars. Thou shalt not build an house unto my name, because thou hast shed much blood upon the earth in my sight. But the word of the Lord came to me, saying, thou hast shed blood abundantly, and hast made great wars. Thou shalt not build an house unto my name, because thou hast shed much blood unto the earth in my sight. When moja, your hands are too bloody. You cannot do this for me. Okay? Another quotation. I'll give some solutions. Be 10 and I say, yeah. 2 Samuel chapter 16, verse number 8. 2 Samuel chapter 16 verse number 8. 2 Samuel. So why you bit much to little bit marking kind. 2 Samuel chapter 16 verse number 8. 16 8. Or say, the Lord had returned upon thee all the blood of the house of Saul, in whose stead thou had reigned, and the Lord had delivered the kingdom into the hand of Absalom thy son, and behold, thou art taken in thy mischief, because thou art a bloody man. enam se won sa wo mogyanti no Nyankopon ebetwe waso de ameka besi ane se enewia se yati wa hu justice eni ho enewia se yati amanfo mu kura tumi omodi tumi ehye ade enewia se yati yempanyifo mu di ase wasase be so nye Ghana fonko a tumi ekura ye no ye de popo nkrofo ani we oppress people with power. Say see I know cuz I go to the prisons and see the innocent omugu prisoner omopre because of tumi and nkrofo bi wontino oko prisons amanfo omugu ho a omopre a make omoye innocent no obi anka omasem ma omoda because bia nipa bi odi na nya asem nipa na political party ni bia okura tumi ntino you will be punished. Amanfo bia omope tumi ntia omoye many dirty rituals killing people to get powers. There are people that won't need it. I am telling you, sir, all the fatherless people, the orphans, the widows, these people are there. They will not even look at their faces. Huh? And then I say NDC na wa ban mu a. Na you say obi NDC ni na ebi ameken or you better find the ways and means that you be good adwuma no ama obofom. Say NDC na wa power. Na MPP ni wa adwuma bi a obon ne homo bu ankrofo a enam say omo hu so this person is a apparatus of this party, a opposition party to know. You better find the ways and means that you be break the pan down. People are suffering because of say amanfo ekura tuminti. Na ye we ni nyina ria na ya kase ye ko bomba ya sire Nyankopon na ya kire ko ma sire Nyankopon se Nyankopon we ye ko problem tin be yi free yen so the Nyankopon ka kire woni say oni Nyankopon no he is the God of laws and principles. God is not a magician. So obo se Nyankopon etie wo usun na Nyankopon tie wo mpai bode wa konchine a Nyankopon e de mra ato mpai bo ho o se se me ma ba twe omo ho afiri omo mu yo na omo body na omo asesa omo akoma na omo dia ba me so de ya me Nyankopon metie omo mpaebo o se ne ma ebe twe omo afiri bone ho na omo yi omo akoma afiri bone ho dia ba Nyankopon ho a ono Nyankopon betie omo mpaebo a conditional statement. So wo ye say dia me so me say yama. So first thing say yenyi yakoma emfiri bone ho yenyi yakoma emfiri do ma basa ho eba ne saa de Nyankopon kasa betie ye mpaebo ade Nyankopon chiri wasase besu hypocrisy. Me say ade Nyankopon ochiri e wasase besu no hypocrisy say yete wona nyaatwem moturo mojo ye nipa bone nipa wo ya adwi mu ba ye pese ya ade bi ma nkrofo hunu nti no na ye pe animonyam bi afi nipa mu Nyankopon nim wakomom. Me say nyame nim wakomom eni nti no ye mi say ye ho say ye fasting ya ye president say ye nye no me ye bi me nim say ma mo he bebre ye bi ministers baako be 100 and over no to omu nyina na ye fasting ni bia na. I am telling you, the many of them, and yet, MPs or more parliament are about 275. To the past say, Omunina, Baya, continue, Diana, Abon Baby. I doubt. Anything, no, sa hypocrisy, no, na ya, dear Bia, the Munyam. You're very careful, because Nango, Yensina Kiche, the Nipa Beguno, and one of the chat. Say a person, Nango, NT and Pie. Bible nanga sa echre ya dia ya betimi aboye sa oko kan Jeremiah 25 verse 5 ma men kan ho me wi a me the quotation be seni ato aso Jeremiah, okay, Jeremiah chapter 25 Jeremiah 25 ma men kan ho me wi a na fe ya the quotations next year Jeremiah chapter 25 verse number 5. Also they said, turn ye against now everyone from his evil way and from the evil of your doings, and dwell in the Lord, that the Lord has given unto you and to your forefathers forever and ever. and go not after other gods to serve them. So okay, if I said they said, 10 years against everyone from his evil way and from the evil of your doings, and dwell in the land that the Lord has given unto you and to your fathers forever and ever. I just say, every boneho, now bonnet, I didn't know hypocrisy, ever in Antonche. Say yes, idea, or no yango poncasa beti and piable. Corinthians 7:14, that's the last that you have become. 2 Corinthians 7:14. I don't see 2 Corinthians 7:14 is saying, that's the last quotation. 2 Corinthians 7:14. I say, for if I have boasted anything to him of you, I am not ashamed. But as we spoke all things to you in truth, even so our boasting, which I made before Titus, is found. Sorry, my main quotation here. 2 Chronicles 7:14. If I drop the quotation, I don't know whether I'm here. First Chronicles. I'm check it. First Chronicles. 7:14. 7:14. And I the quotation. I'm messing but now they are making the moon say. Say nipa ba twe ne ho afiri de bone oye nyina ho na o change na koma say obedi nyame achi na obeti somebody and any your bomb pay obeti. So what it means is say empire bone akonche no embra wo ho say see me no ka say wodi bi ka ko circle wako wie obi fon na wo de ko fie wo te ka ba wo ko na obi preach a che o ka rum say krono nya bone nye eno to go do fie o say yankopon mesraw mago wie obi fon ba me ba mate say bone nye ti ba bone chebe nipa na wi ana phone ekura se once one fa phone no ankwa a nyankopon ontie wo mpai bo no what na make no se one fa phone no ankwa a wa wi obi phone no kura nipa no osu ote ba bia ne ho kire no na wo se nyankopon fa obo ne nche wa abra phone no kura. So we are not ready to change the ways we do things. Hypocrisy with our government is too much, and not only this current government. All the government in the MPP and this woman in Ambassador hypocrisy go ahead. Bribiana government besisa. Among for be share juma. Many America is obeka no krapa na. Bribiana NDC beba power peno. Obi biana or ajuma or at that time many of them will lose their job. Because omo ye MPP before. Bribiana MPP power no. There are many people no mo ye ajuma so they will lose their job. Assuming that I'm thinking, say, Omo NDC for. So you're paying for now, Omo yes, I know, man. Your best say, okay, 2 Corinthians chapter 7:14. Sorry, let's take a mechanical 15. 7:14. Did you make a say, check, Bonnie kitten kitty to me 80. Say, I'm treating one film. Now I've been saying, Uncle Boy, a magician. You better be a pen and you Vienna and Casano, the Cassan Uncle Poe, for your bonnet chain. Now you have brother not you if you're on tea and pie bono. Is fed up with us because your body are too bad because of us and other living entities are not having any peace. It is not only the human being that you can create, you know, I say was as we so. And soon as I see and any banquaya diao, Yankopon, other living entities are almost so kind of who was as so as a young more kind. How share the whale, the shark. They are very powerful. The men about the sharks no moves you know appear about Ponano. Our really back again. They don't do that. But anybody says never come Puno sheer no money now. Oko emira mu a ebinom ayekwa achia ekopa muano. Omutimu twa forest no ho sia. Na omo de nkramanya wuram. Na ye twa gya atum. Abo bia wo bia na wo pia ba na yakum no. Nipa timu adin too much. Menimo bi okonwira okopa oburo. No de agu poison mu no de agu ba bia noma edidi wo ho. Obekọ no noma na di agu no mu nyina awu. Nipa timu adin too much. And in the nature and say, we are still waiting one by my nipa. There are other forms of life almost so ignorant on better as we so. See, I'm ready to see a normal year. The better was say the echoes you ever buy so because nature will not take our nonsense for too long. Nature, they say, why na you may be of fact to be anywhere you man? Huh? There be a ozone layer ever from Mamma and Yajuma say, Mamma Yajuma, so now we go ahead and do it. Yeah, Kasani, yes, say everything is getting spoiled because of the human activities on this planet. Na ye na bibia agin samu wie na nipa bra na ebra na ye twa ye ho say ye bom pa say nyankopon emagi ye nkwa e wa ba ye ya adwen say ye bone ye ye ba pie ho afiri ho ti dia make a che won say empire bone a continue adwuma pa yi ti obi bia no be making mockery of prayer and fasting that nipa no on ti bibia se ne nyansa e wo fom because empire bone a continue adwuma the fact some crofo bi entoto no ma yie and professor we so-called leaders be omo na se bi nko bo ya asofo and omo ya malams and imams bi e bi omo ntoto no ma yenti e bi omo se nyame din enkyere se empire boni akonchi enya adwuma empire boni akonchi eya adwuma pa so the first time crofo bi ntoto no ma yeri nke se nyame ni ho empire boni adwuma he so obi bia na wo no wo be making mockery of prayer and fasting no unyansa e wo form because empire boni akonchi ya adwuma na emom empire boni akonchi no ye wo emra ene principles e wo ho ene se ade bi na wo ya hweye na twe ho firi ho na wo bom pa ne nyakopon ati the hypocrisy is just too much ti ya ntwe ho firi hypocrisy ho na all the time no ye pese ye fa nyanza kwan bi so MPP bia na wo power and NDC bia o mo power no so mo ya ade I'm telling you say 90% of their conscience no e ya ade o mo ya o mo di petumi na nya only one party MPP ye NDC ye Bilibia no more power on baby no make catch say 90% of their conscience in tia omo yes ade kodie no e to me on benya free kofo ntia and yes because they care so much for people. No, it is never true. It is not true. They are making it because better out because they are making we end this in interview abedi matter and I because MPP you bedi matter but no credit say MPP your power NDC your power and no matter do now omo ye no I am telling you say about 90% of their conscience in tia omo yes ade and say yes, I deal with ya. You been your vote, you been your power. And you say, yeah, they are Guama Manfonia, Achi, and I am my mamma, and what to and into them back to me. Short time on my millionaires. Short time on my year, because say, no Kulumuno, and yes, 7 on a Baba 7 or more bass or more Baba ya dear, as or more your fruman. Oh, my dear Bass is here. Say, my minister being married and they didn't even. Coronavirus grant iron. Me say see no my minister bi nyare na nya coronavirus na chi no ordinary ade na yan so obetum le kwa buruchira ye do be kokolebu and 37 see ma panimu bi nyare see na on twan hwe na yan fa nko say ye kosare ade I am telling you say yan fa nko buruchira Ghana ha yi ne na obekọ and it is amu obi a mo ye very smarter sa ade asi ese mo ye very careful say na se see ya to airport mu amaya fofo na emakwa me yankomu no se me yare se see ya he na mekọ kolebu ene 37 ya do bekọ ti se mu kura tumi a monye na montoto no mayi da ya mekao ya hospital no empanyifo no omo nhye na nye ni yie because ono ne ba yare onfa no nko ho ono yare onko ho enti wo ye ne biara ene ba ya wo ye no o ye se de ba ya wo be mu se ya ko e good no wato abama no enye se bi odo ntia yesu kuri nyina no ayepoto obi ko school wa Ghana hayi na owie na wo do certificate wo de ko obje ko pa adwuma ye unya adwuma bia na waye because yesu kuri no o ma se no empayinfo nkasa emma enko school wa ha omo nyina be ko aburuja ko school ho eni ti omo mo mani ko school no ho ba sa covid 19 yi na a kire obi bia se ba bia wo tiri ye ni ye because wouldn't or china sem baby out no ye niye wouldn't or china sem say see you know so many countries are abai no alloki bibia down and that is the best method because ya dey ba na say sane na tretre a the obey say oba to bibia no obi anche ni fie ba sa na obetumi contain the situation and until ko baby US o maye China for eye oko France o mo ye Italy ye baby for ye Ghana ye ntimi nye but that is the best way to go. Say God because of 2 weeks. You are close to Bibia ebi a supermarket nkete de be ya adwuma, ebi a hospital be ya adwuma, pharmacy be ya adwuma, those essential staff no be ya adwuma. Be no achi no obi bia nko adwuma, obi ya nche fie. Na aban for 2 weeks ehwe ade because him yes ya re no eba obi ho a it 14 days I said about to be detected. So within that 14 days, na government no abie sentence bebebe ya yebe to be testing no. So within that time, obi bia na obenya any symptom bia na ofie no. Na ya de some short code that no fresh mpacho e bia me bowo and e bia say na to me. Na ya suma nkofo a ombe chiche omho. Na ya better sample. E nya de ko na ye hu say e ya ne bia na ye yiwa freedom num. E ya say within 2 weeks time no. Obo say aban na betumi aso ade na no. Eno na other countries omoye. But Ghana had yen to be your side, and I didn't hear Ghana for Nipa and a what toilet oh Mufi. Mr. Ghana Nipa and a more toilet oh Mufi. There are so many compound house or car. Nipa Bay 50 the Mufi or toilet and your back up and not everybody who to or Munina echo public toilet. Ghana Nipa and a more running water a tap oh Mufi. Dodo na ekwa abonti ko bunsuo the abanka se wa lock down one and no pass obi so ko jane na ko toilet na oni ti afi oni fia obekọ toilet woni dem na obekọ yefa sa abanka se wa lock down se sie ya na obi ebensuo adoma na nsuo ni fie wa obenya nsuo wa he because of this the government oni mpefe say the best way to go is to lock down but the conditions will not help him say you lock down wa hu the way ankrofoba bre wo Ghana hanya gro. The way Ankrofobe Bra Ghana Hanyagro, Oko other places are, baby, I got lock it down, or Mangrofo Sika. So what to know when you're doing, and then I will say, come to me, police for more down on the pa, you better renew when you're doing Ghana is there, lock it down. Come on, come Nipa as even coronavirus no. But I'm telling you, Sabino and General Cos, and yes, I lock down now. The more I ya, among for every room, you have together, now you no spread it. And hey, ebedu baby, ebeye west, ebedu point we will be forced to lock down Ghana. That time, no, nani padu do any doorso. The ebeye problematic. So the best thing for the government to do is to lock down from now. But abandoning him, meaning pass abandoning him said the best way to go is to lock down. By a situation, no, and yet you're paying for no more for many years up to now, no, almost down to no many years. And to get fear behind a toilet room, and you fear behind a more running water room, they are buying lock it down a month for Mbewunyagro. Here, a month for Omoye, homeless or Munda Bontain, and Yasam Getwa. What they are now called Bacola, called Kanshibo. A do and a do a month for more that stores and him. They are buying all lock it down. Those people, where would they go? Because other countries, you need a homeless. By Ghana, how you homeless no more major citizens. And those ones are buying all lock it down. I tell you, it will not be easy for the government. You will be out, you will gold, you will diamond, you will wait, be out, but stone na ya bread. Ahomete. Eh ya. Say abayin ti mu nya say fie wura bia obesi fie bia no. As say toilet go finye sa dia ya ma okwa ma wunsi. Our laws are not working. And until the situation be say now ho che no aye severe and then me ne member back kasa sister Edem awo Italy o se prabu se Italy wa ho o ma lucky baby a o ba meti wai me dwen Ghana me ma me ne papa no ho because baby ade ne ko no e ko ba ne say Ghana yen lock Ghana down. I am thinking about their situation, how they will be able to sustain their life for 1 week or 2 weeks. Ghana many people or come market e ko ton brode when you have 5 cities, they were to me at the Amani bed. So one come market one day mpa ne mabe biada. The ambassador bansi or lock it down one. Some crop for no be on day. Me say, obi oha a day, a so kokrum, no cotton ni force back home you be, no the beer to more dear befie, only even 50 gun and put it at home. The ambassador or lock it down one. Send the pano by day. Bamba you very almost to almost cars more big cars, big house. Who call mu fear and nearly almost cramming body no. A bit near video being a bush for. But the teacher said, yet to know my year because all the time, no, you were the impression so a back critical or make US, oh, a back critical make UK, oh, a back critical make Germany. Say, see, as a coffee plan upon your ready. Yes, so about phone him say, I do a 3 Coberia and go who ye. Someone in Befe say a bedroom baby, I'm a Yasna in some say. I'm not to point to say, when you want to move to Kaya. And Gabriel Yamos Shamra, Kamobaya, idea, a bit to me, I'm a minor to me, Gina. I'm a minor, you said, I Chinabino, but Matro group. Or maybe to Kayo, by Ghana first, see a control when you say, a young mother don't go to the control. By your mind on BB and said, I'm Koye. Say, see, and I'm a friend of mine on the road, I said, I'm fair. Monkodam go to be Mudem. Baby, I know man connect to Medru, baby, I make them go BNP. Doka, at least I did be up and say more. Let's man and say Gary, Chetodo says, penny for good day. A Cobanza Banica said, yeah, lock it down. At least Ubenya be a one cry back at the car, I bet 2 car, now my body be a brow. But at least for first week, second week, Ubenya be a Tim Sama will have in a tea. Baby, I didn't con, who nay, you say 68 and not 52. Did that be a number now? Become one quite a so would see me no be tea you was Kaka 1. But Gary Bini and moving and won't be for show them. Baby, I sit there, Italy, Normally, Germany, and other places, O man said, and before Munum, and I'm on my Basano. Say, see, yes, who said, a jack at all, young body, same one. No one sends Swiss with the movement better for what you have moon swum, said a bear gathered by Intimito. They are to Italy for, they are to France and Germany, all the places, May catch on Yankopon again and he almost soon Yankopon, but they are going to that hardship now. Tino, a bit in Yabagana. So, who tear me a snow? Skaka crabby or one, Peamoka crabby shaw, Pebinska crabby, Peamaka crab, Pegarika crab, Peshotoka crab, be a bit to me see what I be a 2-3 weeks and say yet, Tonchene and Chinu Hiapa, a first aid, no maybe what a pasta mobi, what or a ABCB, open no maybe as a get a basse, yes, it will be MP, maybe I wouldn't even though you'll be a pharmacy, but ABA will fear and I do a draw tea or your baby piano. And Yanukwa, Persamina enough, when your toilet roll, all those petty open every day, no, Pegu fee. Now make her say, now make her go say, or more than Mudi in name for Umunas on by the day. There are people are even 1 city a day only. Every day, so Okojum Kotoma at the end when you have 5 cities, atom of money, the Abayan crime and the money. By your memo, a month for was Joe. A month was Joe, but then you have then you have the American say, Abaye, check the echoes of a month for a crew. There are some countries in there, a man takes out precautions in them. Because imagine say, almost on the kind of crano, oh, and this, oh, and get difficult, oh, crack, and a group pointed there, no moon on by yet, so they were forced to lock down. May they say, what the UK was thinking, they say, oh, almost came on microphone in Omunya, they will based on that, and I'm going to develop some antibodies to be no more, whatever. I say, your moons are denied, and I'm all lucky UK. So there are many countries at home. I didn't ever form a rapture. By India, you're not very unsteady what is happening in other places. The Abaye, meaning Befe say, more check how a man will be copy. Say if Ghana is to lock down. Now, Mamma check here, I'm saying, from time in the bell to now. More shall I the baby or mine with the moment in Befe, some lock here. People will suffer. But the theory say, some man lock his swap. A better worse. Situation is that the others are to some idea. Yes, you must eat it. So situation is that we don't have many options. There are only 2 options. First option is that don't lock down. Allow people to move around. Now, mom buy a normal and spread it too much. The second option is that lock it down now you have 2-3 weeks. They have study who say, I didn't want to you would be any money. Said they and spread it too much. Oka Bruchida. Omo hospitals in Yama, Omo the Omo hotels, and the Aya hospital, Omo for Oko Italy, Oko Germany, Oko France, all these places are home. Omo hospital, baby, but Omo hospitals in Yama. So they are forced to use hotels. Ghana hey your hotels and also. They are very careful now. They never be young pompons. Okay, see steady be see So government, I know you are making these two decisions. What be that anyway? First is to allow the situation to be like this, monitor it and make sure say more testing on few people like that. Now I don't hear more pioneer and try say and spread it too much. That's what you are thinking. Because everything will lock it down and everything is going to be messed up because I'm not for people to my. But the credit say we are heading there. We are heading towards that point that you will not have those two options, but you are forced to lock down. But that time maybe I spread it too much. To say, see, I know better me. For from lockdown. So I will lock it down. Yes, I come back because of the situation. No, a man for money try to move here, a man for Suni move here, a man for best of Mupia Bonte every day and some money to be they will suffer in a way, but mechanism be open to me supporting for in a way, not lock it down because that is the best. All the other people in our countries in our lock it down. China, US, Germany, France, Italy, all the places they are all locking down. And guess I'm pay. And guess I'm pay no. But baby, I didn't do some man locking down where better baby no. A better West. The mesro, many are buying so many advices. Very intelligent people, professionals. Some of us, you are not sure them new jobs are, but you can be. Now you can't. Na se man di akire na kina bi no e koduru ba bi a yam pese beduru no a na amanfo hu se nipa bi de o ma no tomu kan bi ene bi am panfo amfa nya adwuma ena make am nim pefe se Ghana ye situation enye na munti bu mblemu obi a mo mblemu amankasa mo ho from 1992 e has to aba no mo MB before ni NDC for the mo diga na so up to now ti e beblemu obi a na mo ne se e blemu mo Mona want to do no more up to now. Na Ghana for your TFA compound house. Nipa 50, nipa 60. Na toilet in the hoa. Tenant for one ebre. Landlord musumi bi aso be di security. As only TFA of you. Who nimpa na what they call what's the name of this place? Ebia Fia Metim. Me bacho TFA ni ho Ghana. Omo je bi amfa ho. So people are not having common toilets in their own house. Every day they have to call public toilet. Answer. Can you mean say, baby to say a drum, baby a public gardens one and a public toilet echo. To what Pierre Carbon, Tenebia, Yama Cow. Now a quack use. And your residential area and the toilet echo. I'm talking about public toilets. And your residential area, among 40 will be a human being or in the field, but the honey is a public toilet. Our landlords no musi omufia no. They are in the house there. The government will not do anything about it. People so maybe as one. No, just get free tenant in the hall. But fear ho ensuo ni ho, fear ho toilet ni ho. If you baby like to play ni ho, so now all this The Americans say yen MPP, yen NDC4, yan rule Ghana from 1992 up to today. I mean, what say to be enko ye no. Yan be no way ya say I give blame ni na. Now, me can say the lockdown is very important because me say the lockdown is very important because we are heading towards there. We are heading towards there that this lockdown will come. If you say, every day be a don't want to come. Now no was at 21 and about 24 and a jump who team and a call 52 and the pay 60 now back home you 68 a bedroom na be back home no credit say time and I say I buy unlock airport no unlock airport no omantie borders were not closed now no yeah amount time I buy unlock I can say from Ochina ko obi bi obebambia no will be quarantined say the be ya be check wa he no. From there, no, I actually am going to see 25 Nanyabi. They see 16 the car. So 2, 3, 4 days before time I buy, I just answer say any buy no. Or more mufra buchi or mobile no. Or more hen. See what me say? They see according to information me no. Now no na was 20 something. If you are the jump in the go 52. So 25 na ba ka ho ye say a microphone na ban a quarantine omo hotels a ye test omo no a omo fra buchi buy no. So 25 no emu na wo. And by me ne obi so kasa omo say 16 na ba ka ho nden so no. Sa microphone na 16 na film aba. Ti the American say 2, 3, 4 days answer na aban this direct is way back. All the airplanes na bag and nyina no mu nyina be wura kuro num ye check o mo temperature keke. But the hu so bibia o yare bi o mu nyina wo he o ma wura kurom. And I say o amanfo should do self quarantine. So on kwa no tena ba be bi ama ho. Ghana fo ahe and aka chom se wo fa bo chira ba. Ko hye wo da mempie menko obi anche ya obetena. Onye esa abande by force. Abande soldier for a police will be go abonten. Na ya by force say amanfo ye mfa nkogu baabi because the tie say ya nye very careful. Na de no ginsamu koduru point bi a Ghana ha ye sika sem nye. Ye sanitation enye. Ye bibia enye ti ya nye very careful na aginsamu say the aginsamu wo Italy and other places now the way ye be bere wo Ghana ha no. Yankopon kwani ni. Amanfo mpa omo system eye adwuma. Amanfo omo so many hospitals. Amanfo a omo system eye adwuma mpo no they are crying and they are crying and they are crying. Ya yete Ghana ha ye no manya adwuma so aban na antie ni ntem. It is still not too late even though I am late but it is not too late. So aban anhwe anya ni se sie. Na ojai ne sa. Mesremo ebedu ba bi na ye besu. The master wa utie be no. Try possible best say pie basa me pa jo chedem. Me say chedem because ya the end the way atie no obi a unhu. Almost say it is only after 14 days in an incubation period you know. And anybody be show symptoms say ya dey obi. So within 2 weeks na wunni mu ho no. One never to inside the aquaba or the best son. Time or bones and the number now so the ring my now so what is an amount for and internet say a buying and yan in tem government day yesterday yan in tem because the other coin a better baby no ever for the yen yan in tem yes say obanyansa for or shall be situation all come to no for and into who obi a to the bafwa. Now tibia na that to game. Now they are more better. Said manfobi antie entem a normal abe form aseno. Yan hwe na ndru ho sa. Mama yen ka say ye bom pa nyame betie. Eni nti no yen take those precautions no. Nyankopon anya gan ani. Sa countries ahodo na omu nyina ebre ni nyina no omu ginyame di. Oko Italy, Vatican ho no Christianity ti e ho na wo. Omo mombaye pope e ho na pope te se ho no atimi atu atese a e mean say e betimi atu atese e wo Ghana so ti ye hwe ne ya antwen ama na njinsa mu ansa me metu hei mimpio mu se me pie na me koto ade a me very careful eno ane na nyina me kokrom koto ade kakra se de be ya kire be ka se be ma obi ampie bi mu a at least met me atena fie na me so metimi adwe me ho benim say obi bia na what is opportunity e ha me pa say see ye ka say aban and lock down na aban lock down one there were many people on the street almost situation be serious but we don't have many options. Me say we don't have many options. Other countries atwen baby adina dru no aginsa munti no they don't have any option but to lock down. Many countries Italy, France, Germany, all these places you know man taking precautions in term and adina be form say rapture. Ghana me pacho your resources esa say ye nim na adina dum pempensuo bi say the amount for the adru na ye ntimu enso ano timpaibo na ye bone de ye say the make no empaibo ya adwuma akonchini ya adwuma na emom ye bo mpaye no na ye say ya adwene yakoma so say bone bebe ba ye di politicians ne bone e bi ni mu di Yes, so many bad rituals are omoni petumi. Eno kwa dan chen ye nya tumi kakra bi ne kura yen o be chiro pa se me tumi kura me. Ye be ti omanfo abrewo police station sa obi ne obi timu nya asem enam se nipa no wotumi ntini obetwi mu atwini mu se sie okọ prison sa ho. I am telling you say amanfo omugu ha omo wo remand keke. Ye nya ndi o ma se obi the whole 10 years because e bi ameka ye no one politician bi na anya asem ana politician ni wotumi ntino obe make sure say ye ndi wasempo na ohim na obre say nipa no wo yere ne ma. There are so many innocent people ya jeli omokwa and so politician disika sika mu oduru sika bare ne wadi sika bare ne wadi ye njeli ne da oba kokos sa 10-15 years obe won ye twa asem num ba ohia ni ekowia mobile phone ekowia obi bank obi board ye pa na ya jeli no na ya jeli no na mo ka say mo yes ade we ya me say when the defenseless cries, when the innocent shed tears of agony, nature will always react. When the defenseless cry, when the innocent shed tears of agony, nature will not keep quiet. Nature will respond appropriately. To the way it did to me, esisi nkrofo metigana how since 1992 yeto ba me se metigana minim and this iba power obi bia na oye business man na oba head at nanim se oye MPP ni no ye be make sure say ye be gu odwuma san MPP ba power obi bia na oba tin nanim se oye NDC no oye business no ye be gu odwuma. We are too bad. Ya bad to ya dipa boni for to na edu situation bi say ya afa na yesu sina nyankopon se nyankopon sina be boye. There are so many innocent people omo bre just because some people have power, so they will make sure say they will use the power to suppress you. They will use the power they have to suppress you to the point say ya the man be we say see ya make say o mo betimi a che o de mra bia ba wiwa be ho say the game. Politicians, that's what they do. Always they be making sure say their opponent, you know, you best suppress you. And I'm saying this both NDC and MPP. I'm not a fool. Since 1992, we have been experiencing this all these years. You cannot tell me, I am not correct. When the NDC is in power, they will make sure say they will suppress all their opponents, especially Omomuye business. MPP were power, the same thing, they will make sure say all their opponents Omomuye business, you know, they will bring them down. Forgetting say Omomuye business they cost you here, and Ghana for the benefit. Forgetting says our business is no, Omo employ Ghanaians, Omo ye adwuma ho. Sa Ghanaians na na to abama omo, but they will make sure say you be gu adwuma ni nyina. You be gu adwuma because they are thinking say so adwuma na ye na wunya mfaso a edu campaign time wo de sika bema o party atimi akwati ye ni sa de a you be break you down. So you be now you get na wonim da de we ya na wunya gan ni baba wonim. Eya papa me say eya so obi abre atete ne mobile mu ya adwuma aduru point bi anipa no akwadi mu no so wonnim na wo manede di se meme ye MPP ni na say NDC de wo power wo so wonnim na wo mfa nsie na say MPP de wo power na so mo say we NDC ni wo. This is what is happening. They are too bad, they are too wicked. Did I say the hypocrisy in our system is too much? We are too hypocritical. And you know, bonnet basa sa niedi. The Yani attending and say go bumpire. There be and this baby no the petumi. Baby and baby no the petumi. And your pass at your dom, Pepino, Mogana for mechanical actually. There are so many innocent people, so many voiceless people. People are suffering like anything. The politicians are having their beans, their resources. They will not do anything to help. What do you call Mufi and I'm going to feel Mutiti? The American or Maya or Mojuma and Omonia Sikan or Moses Alfian can have you. A month for Sika or more taxes or more yen or more some chances to be no more the iron rich or more say, Peche, no more. And then go for now, Monam Swa, Omonia 2 minutes. You meow because you don't care. The American say, where NDC for Mopa, Monka said they became a bois. MPP Mopa Monka said they became a bois. Yango Pony said they became a correct. NDC got power. Any businessman be na your names are called your MPP Nino. You better find ways and means a better good at Jumano. Science and MPP of power. NDC need be an answer, be able to acquire a business person. Sa call your NDC. They will do everything possible. Say you be good at man. Forgetting say Ghana for no more to Abama yeno. E yo mu kroyana omo ye adwuma e wo ho. Se nipa ba ko pe ehwere na adwuma. Woni ma man for do a omo bre. The ripple effect nya gro ba ko for pe na wi na di. Yere ne ma e bia na bo fase bi ne sister bi ti ba ko for eje adwuma na yi na adwuma mu a nipa be say 15 and suffer for that action. Na ye wi a na ya dane ye ho. Say your mom by saying God will not listen to your prayers because our hearts are too bad, too wicked, and we are not ready to change. See, I know say, and this is for as I declare 3 days of fasting and prayers. So when your power says, see here, you see what they will do. I say, and this is also declare 3 days fasting and prayers. Omo yama Ghana for aja tum say nkrofo we dey omo papa we ye good o ombe boa yen pa twa no munya power ni wiye so ya say see eh MPP government so can the same thing yama mpa ye na nya akonchene because say wadi kaka say mo nkwa asori all the churches are closed aso for ni complaining say obi ya to aba ma oba ya obegu ya asori sa na tie dey obehu sa dey ma men declare a day of fasting and prayers. Then you guys are quite quiet. And you're someone a common pa. You are for power. Yeah, yes, or you're being deceiving for. You're common pa no, and you're far away from God. Our hearts are far away from God. So see, I'm making MPP forces say almost a suma si baby. Omo ye kululu adie bi. So see, I'm making NDC forces say omo ye kululu bia. Abaya batono. You bet me you be kware yet me wie man de bi. Both parties in your cancer. Omba ye. But we are almost young umpire and say Yankopon. Chair, may say Yankopon on your magician. No Yankopon you see na kick. Do you need public guno and one will be chat? And until so I can say Yankopono or your small baby or tea baby, and we do Yansa baby tina. I make a story with you. And Krabi and Nubi, and I assume almost say, Moja 5 Ghana cities. Now move on Kota deal with me. Omanam Kwanso Omokona Penesikana. Omanam Kwanso Omokona and a scanning irae. Oma Resikana sa omu. Oma Resikana sa omu. And I quite say Yankopon, Miss Slow, my young Husikana 5 seasons now. You had the 2 seasons back to collection. And about to say, hey, Flo. Now we come with the asman. I say, you want what they back to collection? I say, Jai, many dead Yankopon, many dead. Suddenly, Paget. Sikana, omadi asman na asem hu a wodi be to collection no se jai dabi mere dada nyankopon sa na ya dwen nyankopon onim yakomom. God knows our hearts. Nyame nim yakomom and nti hypocrisy ne fanto nche na ye hunu se ye say ye pa mani ye mfiri yakomom na ye nye se ba bia situation na duro no se na make no menu anom ayeden ya de no e real. And you're lucky to say you deal with Anshase wa Africa. The only law can be before you want to say you deal with Anshase wa Africa. Say you deal with Anshase wa Africa. And can before say a brofunu be bamuno. Now can kum half of Africans. Me say the only thing we should thank God for, and say, Yadi way and shall say Africa. Say shall say Africa. The first thing is say Umbe to Omobo the sim. Omega say if you come to Africa, remember that's the first thing they will do. No more China, ya didn't come ya. I feel him one I so desperate, you know. Now I can't get them alone. Now, loan I had them on. I said what the oil in Siawa. I said what you go to Siawa. I saw the cocoa in Siawa. Till before I say about wow, I'm out one town. Now what you're doing, you're imagining your local saying, Yango Pong, and my idea we have a chance of Africa, a question as if you more. They say, Omo Pro, I saw Modo Mushim. I guess I can before say, oh, my Bamunanga, cum you have. The empire for us to see a who say, a bit to me about say, Obey Yarewa, but I wouldn't have quite call Buchi, Nagana Hand over Cono. Yango Poya, don't idea with China one. Momo Manina Ho, now your hospital, so Munyan. You're paying for now to see a Mabby Yamu say, oh, may Mabba Buchi, Hono Beko Sukuno. Say, Samu Yamu say, hey, situation bit me up. Maham Manipono, they will not be safe over there. And the moment you school in ye, the more most to know my years are no. Na ye nyina na ye boa ye ho ye ho. Na sa de tie die ahomete. Okọ area bi pa na hu de we nipa tata so te sa bi. Na dan ye wonti mi fa bicycle bom fam kwan bi enam ensu nipa te ho. Na okọ ba bi ampanfo itia. One person in area kakraka no why garden ba bi kakraka. Go to places that Nima normally all the man will be go and see how a man for cat society and fear name be as they make sure that they give you power. Both the NDC and NDC, MPP, they will vote for you to get power. But when you get too many power, you neglect all of them. Oh yeah, they get to every man now with a better video. So now can say, hey, my yes, you because Nipa Nimian sent. Now when I talk about my short time, nobody is a peche. Whatever that time say, a bit to me to be a Usika no Crano, wouldn't to me end to footplane and quabuchi, or better than a gun hay, na was a fat. Tina, ye shall who say I did a chain of one. You're paying for back to us and all my dream, ye pa. And the Prime Minister says, Prince Charles, so you give for my prince and what tested positive. As a Prince Charles, ate to me a positive one. One of my Mr. Organ and I say, MP, I wouldn't to me. Who bet me any? Never power be no. Now, when you because and you to your best, I must say, moon from 90 from now when you're the right thing. And then we have a number because I can cry F.I. and Pibona hair. And as I'm Pibona continuing a Juma, no two ways about it. No be be making mockery of prayer and fasting. Anybody else out of and Pibona are continuing a Juma. Some of us we know it works. Even though uncrophobia. Or Matthew me as for me a prophet, me a mala me say no, and I'm wedding a me and him from. And a man crophobia or money a minister, and you be a more casse, and Pibona conscience, and for so be any so. Nazan for so one Pibona conscience swap. Didn't I so for 80 million do Emma virus yabe. Didn't a malam for 80 million. Because of this, it will be same Pibona conscience and judgment. Because Yankasano, you're genuine people. The Yankasana man crofo, or money a minino. Omanya no a omutumu di nyame for atom because yanka say yanto to no man yi ba maka kire wo empaibo ne akonchi eye adwuma ebia na wonji ndi se sia wonhu one day bi wo be nu hu na ye too late hwe me ma me ta ka sem bi kire me wo kwabra eye na nipa encheri mia aya betena fido se timu di nyame atam timu di bibia atam hwe Osofo bi ne malam bia de bia wa ya fa nyame ho a enye no should not give you the audacity for you to insult God. Be careful. Tieniye me say osofo bi ne malam bi ne prophet bi ne fake no bi oye nti no memfa no nya oyastic na memfa ndidi nyame ene nyankopon no matem because a day is coming wo be nu ho na ye too late. Yeah, nipa ho emfa ho de we ho odin fever bit too chill pa. What the hell now? Ankasa no. Or you the crowd who say we nipa. Ordinary kokompe yenti mi fa nwu anum. That's the time you will understand say Nyankopon ynyame. Mini anom mama ya nhwe obi nsa mfu bi odi obi ade bi ogyina Nyankopɔn anim ede yede say ade ne yenka say za nipa no nti nyame ni ho me menye prophet me menye osofo. No, Jana, I'm not a pastor, I'm not a prophet, I'm just a life coach. I try to explain things to people. I'm not a prophet, I'm not a pastor, I'm not you. But I know, sir, there's power in prayer. There's power in fasting. Prayers and fasting. I know. Prayer and fasting works. And Crophobia almost said, I'm your software, I'm your prophet. On the answer, Ubiayedi. Because Baby, I did not know. One Nimna, but Tenefi, or not to be. I'm off of say. So who was out 2 minutes there? And then my doing coronavirus. And you know, do not many of them are not talking now. Yes, Sayaria by coronavirus. There was so many bad side, but there are few good things here. We are smart, you know, say this situation is actually opening our eyes. Now they are sitting down, they are thinking, say, wow, nature is that powerful. Say, upon all you to me, one day we will be shut down. I know that they are thinking. All the political leaders now, more powerful, more rich, Trump, no money, whoever they are, no, this thing will tell them, say, wow, they are not the ultimate power. There is something superior to them. So this situation is actually telling us the realities of life. At times, when I feel it is so important. At times, we feel say we are too powerful. But I'm telling you, say nature is actually using this situation to tell us, say we are not the ultimate. We are not the supreme. That something is more powerful. Everything that science before you obey me, but still nothing seems to be working now. The American church say, also for be better if you so obey dread and no make can send someone, Nipa on a pro name Yankopon. And I'm malam be or no, ebe to baby, or yeah, Allah Wakubaya no man, or no name the Okano. Men for Sani Pan and Yaw Yastin Kasenya Mini Hontino. You have the audacity to speak any filthy words to God. You don't have any idea. You don't have any idea. You don't. Now the American one day because situation be mu. Now when we watch it be anywhere. That day deep down your heart you will understand. Say there is something called God. Many of them don't believe in God. But Italy Prime Minister or say we have done everything humanly possible. But it look as if say adieu we know. Yahu didn't to me. So say idea obiam pege the enche Nyankopon. Who told you there's no God? Who told you? Yeah, they won't him. Me ma meka or se kwabna nipa ncheri mia. Mianda. Huh? Me say mianda. Na say mianda. So who can be bia for Nyankopon ho? Be very careful. Akonfo you fake ones wom. But me tena kurase. Me tena kurase o. Ti minim say abosom ewo ho eye adwuma. Me say abosom ewo ho eye adwuma say onni ma me minim amabo ya bo mu dia. Ade ayira wo fie. Wan na fa ya nyame ne abodia. Acha 2 weeks na obi afu ahono. Na fu na ho de ne ye de ko so say e be check ni bia ano. Ewo ho ha ti ne nipa na wu. Onya wu e nam say ye dua bontinu obi bia obekofuru ho na wo nipa be say 7-8 mi wutu aso. And son of mom say, oh, say dua ni na nya no. Ye ko dan dua na egu na sa. Hwa me si bibi wo ho. Bibi wo ho. Bibi awo ho. So enkrofobia me say omode nyame anim ye famu no. Mama ye nyina no so. Na ye conclude say eno ntiri empaibo nya adwuma nyame ni ho. Akonti nya adwuma no. Mama ye nwen sa abinia. Yes, your uncrophobia ha, your brainwash your more to the point so for my dream and yajuma. But don't forget say Nyankopon na or no ball or no na common sense, or more nyansa sepa dream. Tinya bibia na be say su atubika ko Nyankopon ho. Adwe no de ama no so ya chede and say nyame ni bianti gina so na fa to no mai. So many people will mess up things and don't just say nyame ni ho. They make what they say. For instance, say galamsey na me call Adom TV na meka galamsey unim minim enya ade a elbo Ghana because say yensuo nyina ya yankura na yekɔ nwira mu a ensuo etene da hɔ a wohwe ma fish ni nyina wotimi hu so mo nsuo no wotimi sa nsuo ni bi na wanom enne Ghana ha ensu tiri bia ni hɔ a wokɔ a wobetimi asa no mo ba animote dentia galamsey e na ese no the sa galamsey ya mekan omo de chemicals na ye sa chlorine ne chemicals na omo de galamsey no ene sa mercury ni all that no a very serious side effect. Say see I know you the free nsuo no mo ye dey do your forest na boy ya e man nsuo timi to forest na ye won nua wo mo e man mo atere mo so to mo no ya sa say ye galamsey ni e forest ma ye twitwa nua ni nyina digu ti ye tena ho aya galamsey na afa bedru ba bi no ensuo na ye de chemicals ni gum no ensuo no etene kwa asase na se ene nti ubedi tomatoes wo ubedi na chemicals no e wo tomatoes no ebekọ wo liver mu ebekọ wo heart mu ebekọ wo lungs mu ubedi abanche banche no betwe ensuo no afri asase na se sa ensuo no so e polluted with the chemicals from the galamsey ene nti ebedru ba bi no na Ghana ye bia ni nyina na akoye poisonous ebedru ba bi no na ye ensuo nyina ye poisonous na ekokodu sa pint no na wo bom pa ye se Nyankopon say ade ne Nyankopon amia wa na obi abeka say Nyankopon eni ho se nyame wo ho dia denti na ye bom pa ye se Nyankopon ma yade ne nko ye Nyankopon di kan ka kire wo say galamsey ne chemicals na wo ye ne nyamam ti wantie no you must pay for the repercussions. Now unfortunately there are so many pastors, so many prophets, so many malams and imams the omo ye no ensada ense jamie ni monyam de omo ye no egu Nyankopon ani mu ase eno nti na obi atimi anya eno nti no Nyankopon ni ho because wona wo se wo ye osofo hwe de wo ye wona wo se wo ye malam wo ye prophet de wo ye eno nti na ma obi agina ka se Nyankopon eni ho ba me ni amesrew nyame e wo ho Nyankopon tumi eda so ye adwuma. Like I told you, me menya osofo, me menya prophet. I am nobody. Me will be at my taking time, I'm a life coach. I guide people about life. And what I know is say there is power in God. There is power in prayer and fasting. Na ye dey say, ye hwe obi ade a oye. Enya ni dey say asumasi. Oni nti nyame ni ho, o mpaibo nya adwuma. No. Baby aduru nature and e kire yen say upon all the nonsense we are doing in the world. All the chaos, all the mess we are causing for all the other living entities, Only Nyankopon say he is shutting down everything for some time. Now on chair say you will to me, or no will to me. So everything is shut down. When I am America, when I am China, when I am Germany, you go out and do anything. You will stay in your room. Nature will tell you so over to me. Timini the American chairman say. At times I say ya mrantie na say ahode wo say ya ho ya dwe say ya ne ya ba bedru ba bi na ya too late men so amanfo bi no ma basa o mo yeso so obi so your sofo obi so your malam obi so your prophet na wa ba ya ade basa na agu nyame anim ase no me mfa no nkasa e nti Nyankopon ni ho. It doesn't mean that me holy and I'm perfect. I have many shortcomings, many things I need to work on and that I'm trying to work on. What I say by Nyankopon kasa di e wo ho nyame wo ho empaibo ye adwuma akonche ye adwuma nipa bo mpa ye mane ye adwuma nyame tumi da so ye adwuma mo nhwe ne ye ngina obi ade a oye enye so na ye nkasa edi ti nyame ni ho nyame wo ho ti empaibo da bia na bo mpa ye wo kire koma ye na emom se wo bo mpa ye pa na wakoma mu ye fi poto Nyankopon si ontie wo mpa ye because your hands are bloody. Your hands are bloody, so mentie names of overtune with you bonne ho ne way you come and feel evil things and will come about me Nyankopon so they are metie conditional statement. So obey you anyway they are metie one year they will not listen to you. But to the make a choice say tie and pai boy adwuma akonchi ye adwuma e bia na woni any experience or any testimony about me I'll tell you, prayer works. Men will be to me brainwashing me. Nobody can brainwash me. No. My being a year Juma kwa. One of my idea. Now me and Kasami beside me questions. And I have to make sure say I get answers for all those questions. Obi may come being challenged and I'm saying, my fat. And one no me, I don't think like that. You cannot brainwash me. And I know say nyame wo ho, nyame power, eya adwuma, empaibo ya adwuma, akwanchi ya adwuma. The say nyame tumi ode amaye no. Say ya amaye ni amere. Now unless you go out there to nyansa say, go out there to go and work. E nyame na ama say nyansa ama ahoden. The one you say nyansa no, ene ahoden no say wo tena dem sika begu dem a, wan kasa no wunnim nyansa. You cannot tell me say you stay in the room. Onko ba bia na wa bompa ya kire kom say nyankopɔ sika mra. No. Nyansa wo de be pia bonten akoya adwuma. Ahoɔde de be pia bonten akoya adwuma no. Onyankopɔ na de amount no e part of nyamsom no. It is one utilizes that opportunity no. Now we say them say nyankopɔ meto omo God will not come and put money in your room. So because we share them bompa say nyankopɔ mo sika na sika na meto them no, doesn't mean say empaibo nya adwuma. Empaibo ya adwuma and say o bompa ye no. Now we put in some effort. And the effort of swan into me and for any results emma. Say effort on kwa etimu the results ba. Cause see America for any Germany for any effort or money put into this yadiano. Come on, you solution the data. At times when you get to a point, you need the costless mercy of the Most High. At times, the effort you put in is not enough. At times, the effort that you put in is not enough. You need the costless mercy of the Most High. So yes, go out there, be very active, yajuma, force, bombarding, but you cannot sideline the power or the efficacy of prayer and fasting. Anything work on it. A can be a package. I had to say here, walk up bathroom. Now go get it. What is upon point in Jariana? Why never have all this upon point in Jari? Why the OTM is a CIA? So, who are bathroom? What is upon point in Jari? Who cross upon what is seminar echoes upon home? Nampo when you're upon when you're seminar and don't want to Jariana. Dabby, Ube here and so out of the back home. It's all yumpa, Ube here towel. Now, what they are doing, what the apple and suono. So it means that to bath, you need soap, you need sponge, you need water, and you need towel. So for you to succeed, you need hard working, you need effort, and you need the mercy, the costless mercy of the Most High. Yes. Yes. You know what I say? Huh? What did I say? Oh, call bathroom, I could carry it. Bathroom, I could carry no. And yes, I'm not going to be here. Who here, some will be here support. Yes. Who we are here and so. And stand was saying here towel. You need all that. Don't get them say me there was support. Anything you could carry. To wait only support me carry. No, you need water. And until obey your effort. And obey bomb pie. Na say oye effort ka ho a and just nipa ne mpa ebo na anya adwuma. Prayer no eye adwuma in kind of a form of a package. The mesro ese ya trance na ye biebie ya adwem na ye sua de. Yes, amanfo bebebe take advantage of the vulnerability of people. Aye chiti omo so many ways enye. Mon hwe ne ye engineer no so anka say enti mpa ebo na akonchi anya adwuma ana nyankopon anya adwuma. Wo bom paye no na why bibi e dia bata ho. The Paul say gidi a enwuma nim no eye gidi wuye. What it means is say who of faith say nyame beye na say one fa dwumadie bi anka sa faith no ho a it means that faith no a dead faith. So it means to say yes, we have every right to have faith. Say yes, nyame beye yi, but you must do something to correspond that nyame beye faith, The message will be our Janice, I won't buy one Yajuma, according to Yajuma, it is only about your effort to know. This coronavirus will tell you, say, it is not always about effort. Because people are putting in effort to the maximum, but nothing is coming out of that effort. To the point, say, a whole prime minister of Italy say, yeah, they are more than you be beer. And there you bet him there any na, but baby, I do it yet. I see a penny in the huh? Nipa, may say we will do situation be, you'll be forced to accept say, and you will be a day anywho. Huh? At times, you'll be forced to get to a point to be a by force. Ube get to say bibi wo. You will never be home buhe. Buhe say. Buhe bibi ya obi obedi watem. Obi obedi watem. Ho de obedi watem. One day bi no wa yara kota yara sabia. Na akọ hu ni the way nipa no all mo bo ha okasa machon. Nfa me bone nche me mane. Obi bia mafum obi afa me bone nche me. Wanu tobe abonte no. Wo de wonni me se won ko situation bi mu dantia. Wono unko situation bi mu dantia. Obe wura situation bi mu. Na obe hu se sa na wo hia mpa ebo no hia konche. Obe wura situation bi mu. Obe hu se wo hia mpa ebo ehia konche. Amanfo mo bo mpa enye se o magimi o. Amanfo mo kire kom enye se o magimi. Mpa ebo na konche ye adwuma. Unfortunately, in this our time, you know, people are abusing God. In this our time, you know, people are abusing God. And you know, among what the Jinasaka say, Yami could have because the so-called people who didn't Yami no, or when they say no man, maybe I'm a catcher. One can make sure say, Uber Trans no one analyze home. Try to implement many things in your life. About what I'm waiting money. Men for one can be the same Yami ho. Member wa no can be the same pipe money account in Yajuma. Because bedru baby now who didn't be our enemy and still na enye ye. Now be here some kind of external energy be to support you. Nyame na oma unyansa no oma say nyansa no yusuni ye. Yes. Nyame na oma unyansa no. What the amount say yusu nyansa ye. It means that common sense. Anyway, we analyze it normal. Everything must be active. But at the same time, you know, you need the costless mercy of the Most High. Said the buyer when I'm on tuna to no, ubet me to tuni. Nipa, yet to be committed so many mistakes in life. At time, what being said, the way and so that they will call room. And then to say, whoa, say, what to me in make a crab at Tahuma? A bema no matter to you. Why do you obey me live anyhow you want? Obey me live anyhow, what do you want to be? I'll make them no. I mean, live that. You should have an aspect of God in your life. Mechanics, I mean, I saw there or something go college in me. Make a video be online. I got angry. So, pastors or prophet be or say, I'm the will be a complaint. Say, see, I know no more day no. Pastors no prophets no more sikano. Or want to toss our hands sanitizers in the beanie. Nose mask in the man for because on so for or master the man as to collection and all that. And also for they say, no, what to collection or too many me. Now too many go for the Jewish shit. I don't know say BBC a bar among from Kotoma, people should not people should not say they almost deserve say I mean I saw for the to be say what? I saw for the Casasa. Or so for na Casasa. Among for to collection or too many me. And now the collection to cast them or the cat them. One way Yankopon day. Among for to collection too many me. The size carry the man Yankopon tino. We won't even for be answer with the maybe. Size carry the old year to car or to fee or to play or to way. Huh? A Yaman Yankopon. The amount for quite much him. Now the size can I watch the general for me talk hands sanitizers in it. Face mask for no. People should not say they deserve to have that because auto collection to many young people away. To yes, now my mom for Muslim Yamini or no more thing. Say, hey, or so for a them go to collection man, one was smoker, and it's young people. No, such people, they are not, they are, see, those people should not be used as role models. The first anchorophobia, I am Basa no. Say never, it is TV so now so for your Japadia, your work, and a display. Ye japade e wo ene ye de compete na me we ena me we ena wo we eno na ye so wo gina sa ade no so na kasa ene Nyankopon ni wa na wona nkasa wo ka asam no. I don't know how you are thinking. So one kasa obi a wotimu tena na odwi yi a so obi betena fidie so na de oye ne se wo na me we ena me we ena me we ena nti o se wo de gina so kasa Nyankopon ni ho de a na one kasa I don't know how you are thinking. Nyame wo ho memma ni baba ko mienu miensa bi a omode Nyankopon di anim adwiki fam no ense se wa adwe se Nyankopon eni ho hwe ena edi akire yi. Many worse things will be coming from the churches, from the mosques, from the temples. We should be waiting for that. Many bad things will be coming from Zillion Wheel. A Bible baby, I saw for Uncle catcher will say, Ubetimia abortion. We ye gay, Ubetimia worry, Obama, we ye lesbian, Ubetima worry or bar. I saw for Uncle Bejatum, a bayer very popular baby. I saw them crano, so be and will be empty and say a better baby or so because I wouldn't wonder how Namunya Sadam Empire. All these things will come. Many horrible things will be coming. A young lady and facade, Diana, or more Musu Mudin Yamianimu Yeno. They are fine Cassan Yankopon. If you say Yankopon, almost a nipa, or bit by your mistakes, or better committed so many mistakes. Young lady and Ginani Passo and Cassan Nipantin Yaminio, Yamio and Paiboya Juma. Did the American say, I'm pie one of your board in there? Your children call me Chilibi up to 12, and I'm a break here. Me bonfire fine, me sorry very early in the morning. I did a lot of prayers for Ghana. Me your Bible, and the American say, yeah, bonfire no. Ye make sure say, you're back here, and free your mumu yet, near bonny a fina ye. Politicians and so I've been born in a woman team. Say, see, about 2020. Both MPP and NDC say, Kululu or Moya one China. Or move back crime be so munya home baby Yankopon ko anim na mo ko shako ko na we sa ade ni na awie na mo ba ba Yankopon tie empire ba. God will not listen to us. God will not listen to us because Yankopon nya magician tie empire bo eye adwuma akonchi ye adwuma na emum ye nhwe se ye bo mpa ya akire kom no na ye atwe akoma afiri bone ho. Many of us, we are punishing our political opponents. We are. No crap. Truth be told. Truth be told. Truth be told. Many of us, we are punishing people because they are our political opponents. Yes. There are so many innocent souls. We share their blood for nothing. For power. We use the power we have to suppress people, to oppress people. Then we turn back and tell God, say, God, listen to our prayer. Yamin tears empire but phone no. Yeah, empire, and I mean say yes, you active properly. Make him say MPP, and this woman, you know. She said, your more come on more young him because we are going to 2020. We'll be here finding ways and means of never winning. The human being is not sincere. The hypocrisy is too much. The abandoned are home. Now, I say, empire born near Juma. And young Bible near Juma. And young Bible near Juma. And one casa na war, I did this one year. I was young, my casa check. They shall say 2:30 and about 4:30. You see, I'm a casa 2 hours. It's a bit here. Sarah read the film about Sarah one man them. And they see her. And to never hear Ruko Kakram, but you don't like a video, not like a video, no? Okay? Say, I won't share it now for your being. And now what I'm for you a bit by inviting and invite what I'm for now or many. They say, may Ruko bear 2-3 minutes, and I'm in the video number here. To Mr. Mitchell community. And so we be. Why you be grand up on pie? Name of young tree and home free. I come a few night way yamuno. And especially our leaders. Sir, political victimization ayen. Yenjai. Kululu aye. I have to me and go upon the Amaya and say, I'm buying paying for. They are the suppressing crowd, the same for businesses. Yenjai, because all those things. Just imagine. Ugu one person business. A man from best suffer on the demo. No. San Crawford, you be in no more bread or muswin, young upon betty or muswin. I'm a what bread. Dear Bestre, will be behind very careful. Now, ye bomb pay actually come. I might be a team across a mile mine a year. Now, ye tree I drink near come every bonnet home all those bad rituals na ye no normal basa na ye sie ponko animu no na ye sie na adwie animu no na ye sie cat animu no na ye sie dog animu no. We are doing all these things for powers. Na ye wia ne adane ye ho se Nyankopon fa ye bo ne kyen mesro we se Nyankopon o miaw na wa mbia wa mema obi enyina nchen ka se mpae bo nya adwuma na se mpae bo ya adwuma denti na mo bo mpae no na ade eche even obi ka se feze na nado ene akrisofo ebo mpae no ade eche ya na ebi beka ho na chire ya vice president so ene nkramofo ko hia bo mpae no eche na ebi beka ho. So it seems that Bribia ebo mpae bia na ya de kwa na ekoso. The fact say ya bo mpae ya ngeta mpae bo nya adwuma ye mpae bo na ye bo na enya adwuma because adwumbone e we tim no ye nya ya adwo say ye twe ho afiri ho ena mpae bo emra wo ho Nyankopon say mo twem akoma afiri bone ho na mo se mo betie me dia mo bo mpae ya metie nya sa de ya mentie mo mpae bo no. Okay, tie besra mo sa na tie me ye ru ko kakra ma hu Larry George Beatrice Jemfi say thank you. Yeah, Beatrice but that's the pass Bribia onya brena o hwen yen videos. Nyankopon shira. I know say we share many of my videos. Nyankopon enshira. And I'm a huma say wa say God bless your homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Yes. I can see Ohima Esther GH is here. Daniel Ado. Daniel is saying, I say God bless you, Master. Thank you. I can see Kingsley Jesse. Kingsley Mahu Patricia Yafi. Yeah, Patricia is saying Collins Fifi Anna. Yeah, Collins. Yeah, Chairman Ewo Central Region. Mahu Kojo Boateng. Mahu Steven Yadom. Steven. But don't catch it. Mahu Ashley Beatrice. Yeah, Mr. Ashley. Boko de Nanti Boko. Yamenka Hu Samson Mazinga. Samson means oh when Anna Abigail Taiswaha. I can see Phyllis Pepra a champion. Yeah, Phyllis Elsunyai. So I read beside now Mantemo. Mantem. Anna Danny, Ewaha Danny, Wahana Mahu Zola, who did the air, the mammy, Beatrice Jemfi. Yes, Beatrice. And I'm Murphy Lee is here. I can also see Ofori Junior is what you're Ofori. It is saying, Mahu Gertrude, Jenny Bia. I say, God bless you. God bless you to Murphy. And Sunyamiche is here. Collins, I know you are here. God bless you. And Mahu Suraya Stoker. Okay. And Vanessa D. Ajekum. Isaac Kubi is watching. Isaac, thank you, sir. Obabepe and Felix prepare. Felix, I hope, sir, Abusiafobia, when you comfort brew. Say, I'm here that you are comfort. Say, David Robinson. David, me don't catch you. Kwame from Pong. Say, I'm here. Kwame. Yankopon kan obi bia ho. Gabriel Usu Boateng. Yankopon kan obi bia ho. Say, the Baya, ya The Rock, our president, is here. I can see get through Jenny Bia again. Yes, Yamon Paya, Yareno, Yankopon Kasa, and Zimbrambi. Na ye bo mpaya so na ye sesen abrabo Abraham mayunga zo ha se na Samuel Kofi Mensa na ye sesen abrabo Nyankopon beti o mpaya ba na wa ye ready to obese senya so wutie kosi ageman Sarah Redu Sarah Bio and Juliana Boateng Julie at saying mahu Danny 1 AOD mahu Joan Afari Star Joan ho ye ana mahu Spain den mahu dini yo ana Paul be what ya Paul ho ye Mavis Bannerman. Okay. Mahu Gabriel Sanso, yes, Gabriel, chairman of Germany platform back. Samson Mazinga, I have to thank you for your time. God bless you. Bless you to Comfort Brew. Yeah, I was there for Yadamasi, Eleanor Henkel. Oh, Star Eleanor. It is saying, and I call is could see boy. So thank you, Daddy. Yeah, God bless you. And I'm Mahu. Are you on that attack? Get review. Okay. I can see or say Breman. Say Daddy, I said exactly. Okay, Comfort Brew. Thank you, God bless you. Obi ahwe ne ho so ye wase. Ba bia obi ahwe ho so ya de we na bo na do nyama na opoku. Obi ahwe ne ho so ye. Ya ntoto ye no ma ye. Ma me se wa obi ahwe ne ho so ye. Obi ahwe ne ho so ye because ade ya do nyama yo Frederick Ansa say yare ne bo wa. Asem tanku Adam. Obi bia ahwe ne ho so ye say the best thing say isolation. Obetimi onko ba bia tenafie na dwen ho. Woni ba bia kwa there's no need moving around. Moses Dog Bache and Isaacs. Yeah, Okwa Bontana boy here Tenefi, Michael Opon, Ferry Sam is here, and Isaac Donko. Tenefi John Chinchin wow, baby Spain. It's a big love Spain or something. Okay, big love radio Spain. Okay, and Vendes GH is here. Eugene Kwasi Ayima Dubuatin. I can see you, Mame Chirema. God bless you, Daddy. Bless you to Mame Chirema. Is it Tommy Thomas? Okay, and John Afari. I'm fine, oh, Mr. Jenna, and you? Yes, I'm doing well. Mahu Kobi, Shoni, and Nana Baye, me don't catch it. Yeah, the rock is say Ophelia. Okay, the rock is here, and a Vera Obapa, and you know. Okay, Sheriff Skimo is watching, and Deborah Mensa, may God keep us all safe. Yes, will be a Kojo, a champion, will be a who see. Said I buy a canon, my and Coco do mu, Nayan Tenefie, better uncle be at Tenefie, color something, and I join a ferry again. Beatrice Gemfi, okay, more of your comments coming through. Towaski, Delvin, Mercy Super Mom, okay, and I can see Amanya Susie. I was saying for your more than 2 hours. Yebesia said I make an Obian no see a Mechirama Drubi, so obey me at Tibio, may say, Unya, a neem tree na hamine, Unya, the Fena cast and a habine, Unya Bofred, dry leaf, who didn't in a boom. Now the just now the ginger cacra, now the black pepper cacra boom. Now no one I share another punu for big carry, obey me anumbi. A bow able to moon system, no. A very good partner, me appear is here. To know obey me and why you be. Mr. Who see you? I did we are doing my day among who eat a little TV so can I show 1 day any purpose 1,700 800 1 day any purpose and I who can out at it but I did see baby to the Enya and to area now I am very careful. Mommy for me here because my casa about 2 hours Yankopon come home the baby Musunia and Senya Memfa Nina quite church in any baby and I don't want fun to me Madame I don't sure who's here bye bye Rama Rana, bye bye, Victor Kunabi, Madame.